Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to sharpen a knife using the Lansky sharpening system. This is a clamp you have to secure the knife in and make sure that the clamp is tight on it. Then you choose what degree to use and sharpen the knife on. On a bushcraft knife or forest knife that has to go into the forest, I normally use 25 degrees. And it's really simple to sharpen using the Lansky. You just sharpen like this. And then you go down here to see if there's any like a small burr down here. It's called in Danish the word is the beard. It's because the steel has been sharpened over to this side. So when you feel like there's a small edge down here, then you turn the knife around and give it the same amount of strokes on the other side to get that burr away. So now the burr is back on the first side, and then I'm gonna start on the next stone. I'm gonna turn over the knife. Remember the degree you choose down here, and then it's simple. That's a burr. We want it gone. And I'm gonna check and see the burr is on the other side now. So I'm gonna turn it around. Use the same stone in the same angle. And then I want the burr gone again. And remember to use equal amount of strokes on each side of the knife. The burr is back. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's back again. So now I'm gonna turn the knife around, and then I'm gonna start on the next stone. Same angle, same degree. And I'm gonna start to remove the burr. Don't tell me this isn't simple. When you can sharpen a knife in 5 minutes. Now I have the burr on the other side again, and I can feel it with my fingers. So I am, surprise, surprise, going to turn around and the knife around in the same angle, and I'm going to do this on the other side. Now the burr is back on the other side. I'm going to turn around and knife around and take the fine diamond stone. This is the finest one I have. Same angle. And I'm going to make the burr that are really small now, I'm gonna send that to the other side. I'm gonna turn the knife around. Hey, I said it right this time. And then I'm just gonna do the same on this side. And mind your fingers, because the knife is sharp already. So now I have sharpened the knife. So now I usually take it out of the clamp, and then I'm gonna take a piece of leather, and then I'm gonna just remove the last very small burr by giving it like 10 or 15 strokes on the leather. And I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to do the same on the other side of the blade. You can of course go higher up, and you can polish the edge and really get a mirror finish on it. Again, I like to use the Lansky system. I've been using it for many years, so this is the way I do it. And just to see, it will shave the hairs on your arm when you do it like this. So I hope you learned something on how to use the Lansky sharpener. It can make a good and sharp edge on your knife. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.